Hell yeah.
Yo, Cuss by Reggie, back with another video. Today we have I guess an unboxing, somewhat first impression. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, right? So today, usually when I get a new product, I record the unboxing and then I use the product. Right when this one came in, I was kind of excited to get it, right? So when I first opened it up, I thought it was gonna be their clipper, but it ended up being the Cyborg trimmer. Now this is from Gamma. Of course we know Gamma Stylecraft, but this is actually from Gamma. It's actually been a second since we got a Gamma product. Everything, mostly everything else from Gamma / Stylecraft has been Stylecraft. That's the Flex, it's the Instincts, all that, right? But we have a new trimmer from Gamma, right? This is their Cyborg trimmer, and they actually have a Cyborg clipper with it, which I was more excited to use because it's dual lever in a sense where you can, if you're left-handed, you can take the lever off of one side, swap it over to the other side. So I did want to kind of see how that mechanism operated. Like, how was it a tight swap, or was it, you know, but we'll get to that if I get one. If not, I'll just buy one when they come out and we'll go from there. But this they actually sent to me, and at this moment, as of me recording this video, it is not on the website, not for pre-order or anything yet. So I do not actually know the price on this. This actually came in like yesterday. So I have been using the trimmer. I haven't even opened, like, I haven't even took anything else outside of the box. This is the actual trimmer, but we'll talk about that in a second. So it got digital brushless motor, it got the skeleton design, rechargeable battery, 180 minutes of runtime, 90 minutes to get a full charge using the USB-C charging port, heavy duty. And it does come with our zero gap tool that was on here or in here somewhere. That's the zero gap setter that came on it. But actually on the box, it has their new one. So maybe it's in here again. I haven't even opened that yet, but we're gonna put this on the trimmer and we're gonna actually open this and see what's in here. Got a box, says accessories on it. Let's see what they actually got in here. All right, so they do have their other zero gapping tool, universal blade setter. So I will actually try that. I've never been a fan of trying blade setters. The only ones that I used was from it was that 10-second blade setter or whatever from the Rich Barber. But anyway, got the USB Type C, which everything is moving Type C. Even the new iPhones when they come out are going Type C. So, you know, the screwdriver that comes in all their tools, and then extra screws, and then the cleaning brush. You got the charging cable, which plugs directly into the, it's got some weight to it. This charging dock does got some weight to it. It's a little bulky, not huge though, but there you go. It has no different face plates, you know what I mean? So does have the charging dock that come with it. 3 hours of runtime after a 90-minute charge, all that good stuff. This is the actual trimmer. Like I said, that came on it, but it does have the other blade setter as well. All metal body. Their silver blade, the X Pro blade from Gamma Stylecraft, charging port, Type C charging port on the back. So yeah, that is the design. Very quiet, and when it's dying, then you'll see these go down pretty much like you would see like on a Flex. Sounds pretty much the same. So this is the trimmer, the body of it. So I have been using this. So I'm not gonna do a in-depth review right now, kind of, but I am gonna tell you what I have been experiencing so far. Now, as far as fresh out the box, it has been hitting. The blade is cool. I'm not a fan of the chrome blade, so I will be swapping it out and putting the gold blade on. But fresh out the box, I have videos of me using it, no problem whatsoever. This body style is small, it's cool, it's slim, so it fits in your hand nice. The only problem I have with the body style is the slipperiness. It can feel like it's sliding a little bit. And then when you're going, now this is all positioning and this is however you hold it. But when I'm going down like on a beard line or using it up, going across a ball head, this button right here can be pushed depending on how you use it. And it happened a couple times, not that it's a big deal. But somebody messaged me and they was like, how many more trimmers do I need to buy? How many more clippers do I need to buy? None. Like, you don't have to buy any more trimmers, clippers, shavers if yours is getting the job done. I have a habit to just buy new stuff. And yes, they send me some stuff, but we all have our things that we buy, right? Some people buy shoes, some people buy clothes, some people buy electronics, phones. I buy phones sometimes, but I also just like to buy these new products. So when I'm doing reviews or unboxings, it's not to say, hey, this is the new product, buy this. It's just to kind of say what's out there. And I've said that before, but to the new people who's new to my page, that is my habit. So sometimes if a clipper or trimmer seems like it costs too much or whatever, I'm still gonna buy it, but just that's just because I have that's my habit. That's my fun of buying new products, trying them out, all right? So as of right now, if you have a Flex or your Gold FX is still working, I don't know if this will be the one to jump to, but this is not my actual yes or no, right? Because I still want to use it a little bit, but I have been using it. This blade on here, like I said, it's decent. I like their Gold blade better. But it has been good. It's been giving me crisp lines, nice lines. I haven't set it right out the box. It have been doing good. The same thing I said when I used their chrome blade before. It's on certain hair textures where it seemed like it don't really. I think it was on the Rebel trimmer where I used the chrome blade and it just like it was cool, but it just didn't seem like it fed through certain hair all the time. So using this, I would get a clean lineup. Then sometimes it'll be like, let me pull out my Flex and get to using that one. So I will be swapping the blades on this to try that Gold blade on here. But I do like the all chrome look. It does look kind of plain. I'm more excited to try the Cyborg clipper. 7,500 RPM, Type C, 3-hour runtime, heavy duty body, brushless motor. So yeah, we will be trying it again. This is still more of an unboxing. Like I said, I got it like yesterday. So I've only used it a day and then a little bit earlier today. So a day and a half. So we're gonna still get more use out of it, see how it works, see how it goes. It does come with a charging dock, 3 hours of runtime. So yeah. As far as price, I don't know the price yet. If I do know before I post the video, then I'll have it on the screen. But as of right now, I do not know the price or release date of the Cyborg from Gamma. But when it does drop, make sure you use my discount code Cuts by Reggie. Save you a couple dollars. Or if you want to go buy something from them now, Gamma/Stylecraft, use my code Cuts by Reggie. And yeah, that's the unboxing of the Cyborg trimmer. I was about to say clipper. Either way, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos, and give me another week. Let me review this. Like I said, I've already been using it a few days. It's pretty decent so far. But like I said, I'm gonna swap that blade, put the Gold blade on, see how I do. All right. Peace.